Welcome to my garage. This is the third time I've tried to make this video, so I'm probably going to blow through it just like my first one. This is 1994 Tomos Target LX. The reason I got to blow through it is my phone. I got the LG V10. It's a really nice phone overall, but I only get 5 minutes of recording, so please bear with me. I do apologize for going through this so quick. If you have any questions or concerns afterwards, just please let me know. You can get a hold of me on Facebook. It's Nathan Wolfe, WOLFE. There's my pretty face. JK. But I had a problem with my moped. I left it out in the cold and it struggled to start. I used to choke, got it started, but it only stayed started if I kept the throttle wide open and it would putter out and die. So, what you want to do, after checking your spark plug and all of that, if your spark plug and everything else is fine, then what you want to do is first take your back tire off so this chain can hang loose. Then you want to take that bolt and that bolt off. First two bolts you see. Right up, very first bolt right behind your motor, or at the top of your motor, and then the one right above the chain. That's going to let this entire front end of the motor drop straight down, so you can get access to your carburetor if you got big hands like I do. Now, I took it off of the air filter and the intake. There's a little black plastic square bowl on the bottom of your carburetor. That's your fuel bowl. First, you want to make sure your gas is always shut off before you do this. That's the way my off position looks. It may vary in different spots and positions on the bike. So please make sure you know where that is and how to turn it off. But I also want to say this is just the way I fixed my moped. It's not problem. You know, if you do it the way I'm showing you in the video, you're running at your own risk. I am not reliable for any damages caused to your moped because you followed my video. But with that being said, I took the carburetor off. I've never cleaned a carburetor before in my life, so this was my very first one, so I'm kind of excited about that. So it was fairly easy. If I could do it, you guys can do it. But I took the carburetor off, took the fuel bowl off. There's a main jet, looks like a flathead screw. Took that off, opened my throttle up all the way so my carburetor could open up. Blew into that hole till I felt air coming out. Put it all back on, and now maybe. There it is. It runs like brand new. So if you ever have any trouble like that, clean your carburetor, clean your main jet, that may be what it is. Please hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Again, I do apologize for the video being so short, but I have no control over that because my phone won't let me go any more than 5 minutes. If you have any other questions and concerns, please let me know in the comments, or you can find me on Facebook, like I said. There I am. And get with me, and I will do my best to try and help you. Thanks, and as always, have a great day.